Want to make money while you sleep? Stay tuned to find out how. Imagine a world where your income isn't tied to the number of hours you work. A world where you're not trading time for money, but rather, your money is working for you. That, my friends, is the magic of passive income. It's money that keeps rolling in even when you're not actively working. And side hustles, they're your ticket to this magical world. These are the ventures you undertake alongside your main job to supplement your income and potentially create more passive income streams. In today's video, we're going to delve into 100 ways to earn money online, each one a potential side hustle that could lead to passive income. From online surveys to freelancing, blogging, and much more. Ready to discover the secrets of online wealth? Buckle up and let's get started. First on our list, online surveys and market research. Simple, quick, and profitable. These surveys are a way for companies to gather information about consumer preferences and trends. They pay you for your time and opinions, which can range from a few cents to a few dollars per survey. It might not seem like much, but those dimes and quarters can add up pretty quickly. Online surveys are accessible to anyone with an internet connection and some spare time. Some popular platforms include SEO Survey Junkie, and Unveiled Research. These sites offer a variety of surveys on topics from food preferences to political opinions. Now, this isn't going to make you a millionaire overnight, but with consistency and perseverance, it can certainly provide a nice little boost to your income. And the best part? You can do it from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere else for that matter. With a little time and effort, online surveys can be a steady stream of extra income. Got a special skill? Freelancing might be your path to financial freedom. This digital era we're living in is a goldmine for anyone with a knack for anything from writing and graphic design to programming and beyond. You're no longer bound by geography or a 9-to-5 schedule. Your office can be your living room, a coffee shop, or a beach in Bali. There are a multitude of platforms out there to connect you with potential clients. Upwork, for instance, is a marketplace for freelancers with skills ranging from creative writing to web development. Fiverr is another popular choice, offering services in over 300 categories. The key to successful freelancing is to leverage your unique abilities and market yourself effectively. With dedication and persistence, you can build a client base and start earning. So, dust off your skills and prepare to step into the world of freelancing. Turn your skills into money with freelancing. Love to write and share your thoughts? Blogging can turn your words into wealth. Imagine yourself typing away in your favorite cozy corner, creating content that not only resonates with your readers, but also brings in some extra cash. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's entirely possible. Starting a blog is simpler than you might think. Choose a platform, pick a catchy name, and you're halfway there. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your blog is your own little slice of the internet, where you can explore any topic that tickles your fancy. But if you want to monetize your blog, finding a niche is key. Whether it's baking, fashion, or personal finance, a specific niche will attract a loyal audience and potential sponsors. Speaking of money, blogs can earn from ad revenue and sponsorships. The more traffic you attract, the higher your earning potential. But remember, consistency is king. Keep creating, keep sharing, and watch your words work wonders. Express yourself and earn with blogging. And there you have it, 100 ways to make money online. From taking online surveys to freelancing, from blogging to creating digital products, the possibilities are endless. The beauty of these ventures lies in their versatility. You can choose what suits your skills, your passions, your lifestyle. Imagine waking up to a notification of a payment made to your account overnight. That's the power of passive income. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about creating sustainable and consistent streams of income that work for you, even while you sleep. This freedom, this flexibility, is what the digital age has to offer. It's a brave new world out there, a world where your income isn't limited by a 9-to-5 job. It's a world where your financial future is in your hands. Remember, the internet is a goldmine. You just need to know where to dig. Excited to start your journey towards online wealth? Remember, the path to prosperity is paved with patience and persistence. It's time to take the first step. Embrace the hustle, embrace the grind, and before you know it, the rewards will start rolling in. It's a thrilling journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So come on, let's create your success story together. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. Until next time, keep hustling.